Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix corrupted user profile is causing a login loop. If you are using a PC or a laptop using Windows and you're facing the issue that your PC has a login loop due to a corrupted user profile, so let's see how can you fix the issue. Now to fix that, the very first you have to make sure that you are logged in as admin of this PC. And once you are at admin, just go to search and you have to search for Registry Editor. Open this, click yes if prompted, and now in Registry Editor, you have to look for local machine here. The very first, you have to look for HK local machine. Under that, you have to go to software. Just expand using this arrow here. Go to software. Under software, go to Microsoft. And under Microsoft, you have to look for Microsoft Windows NT. Here's the Windows NT. Then select current version. Now under current version, you have to select the profile list. In profile list, just look for S1 to 5 management or something like that. Just click on it, and here you will see the profile made path. Now here in this section, if you find any .back file, so you just have to rename that back file with .old file. So after doing that, your PC will remove that corrupted file or corrupted user ID. So after doing this, your issue will be fixed and you will not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.